What's good, YouTube? We are back with another video. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Please go like the video and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep the channel growing and keep giving y'all this content. Yeah, with all that being said, let's get into it. Alright, what's good, gang? We are back. Right now, I am about to go and pick up these demon wheels. Very excited about that. I'm in a Beamer right now. In the Beamer. With the Challenger, I can't really transport shit. I'm finna go hit the seller up, see what this seller is talking about. This seller seemed cool though. Seemed like a pretty chill seller. It's funny, they texted me asking me if I had like a drag pack available. I'm just like, nah fam, I'm trying to get like you. But yeah, let's hit the road.
I still see the skies. These are my girl, I still see my guys.
Alright, what's good, gang? We just made it to the seller's crib and here are the wheels. We are certified demon boys. Homie's a car fanatic too. Oh shit.
Muffler delete on that.
No, I got you. I can hear it.
And we're gonna put a chop cam in it from Pets Performance.
Oh, okay. Look at this Pontiac though. Get it. That sounds beautiful, man. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I sold the red eye and I bought this.
Okay. What made you sell the red eye? Why would you?
I got smoked by a CTSV like I was sitting
still. I got you. No, those black wings are tough though.
Plus, man, the insurance is like $600 a month.
No, I got you.
See if I can find that video of that guy walking me up.
Alright, what's good, gang? We are back at it. And we got some demon wheels, bro. What the fuck? Your boy has the demon wheels out here. That's crazy. Oh, damn. Alright, hold on. I need to fix that shit. Alright, we got them hoes put up. I wrapped them up real nice in a blanket. Boys got the wide body demon wheels secured. I ain't gonna lie, it was cool as fuck meeting, bro. It's always cool meeting like other car guys and shit. You always can tell like who's passionate about their cars and whatnot. As y'all can see, bro started the car up for us and everything. He was super cool. He was telling me how he had a red eye Challenger, wide body. Shit was beautiful. But he said that he sold it because basically he was racing a Cadillac Blackwing, and he showed me the video and everything. But yeah, I don't know what they're doing with them black wings, but shit, man. Blackwing had the Hellcat red eye stuck. I was thinking about Blackwing today. I was like, I should have told my dad to get a Blackwing. If you're watching this, you might want to think about a Blackwing. He was really just trying to get rid of those rims. He told me he was finna use them as coffee tables or some shit. And I was like, hell no, bro, give me that. Luckily, when I was talking to him, I had asked him what tires he was running on them, because I was literally finna go from him to another Facebook seller who had some Pirelli P0s for a real good price, and I was just gonna snatch them hoes real quick. I had asked him what size he ran, and he said he couldn't remember, but he thinks 325. And I was about to snatch some 305s. I thought 305 was but yeah, now I gotta go do my research and see what size wheel is these demon wheels, what tires can I run on these hoes. But yeah, man, real excited. Can't wait to mount them, of course. And shout out to bro. Like, I love when I can meet a good Facebook seller. You never know with these people, there's so many types of people trying to sell some shit. But bro was super cool. He showed us the car. I ain't gonna lie, it's been a little successful day shopping on Facebook. I'm grateful for you, Facebook, today. What's good, gang? We are back. Last night I was searching online and I found some tires for a real good deal. Finna go just try to get some tires for these wide body wheels right now. Maybe get them mounted on, I don't know yet. I have these 2-inch spacers on them right now, so I really don't know how that's gonna work with the wide body wheels, but yeah, guess we gonna have some wide body wheels now, wide body boys. Let's get it. Got it all cleaned up. I cleaned it yesterday. It's a nice day outside, but of course it's hot as hell. All right, gang, got the car started up. Now I gotta figure out how to put these fat ass wheels back here. That's gonna be a challenge, but we're gonna make it work. Gang, we got the tires back there all covered and secured. Well, I hope they secured. But yeah, now we finna hit this tire shop and see what they're talking about. Hopefully it's a good deal and not no BS. We'll see what we getting into. Damn, is this my elementary school, bro? Damn, that's crazy. I got an elementary school out here and I didn't even know. I need to talk to my mom about that. Alright, so it looks like we are pulling up to the tire shop. Supposed to be this Onyx tire shop. So let's see what's up. Let's see what's good. Got another challenger here already. Let's go in here and see what's up. Okay. Had a camera. I guess it's a camera. That's cool. I'm shopping for 305 3520s, I believe. Yeah, these are some fat tires. Hopefully we can make something happen though. I guess these are the tires right here. From Houston.
Oh really?
Yeah. In the tire part in the vlog, so I just got some new rims, so trying to just throw everything on YouTube.
Sounds good.
Appreciate you, bro. But yeah, let me grab these rims real quick. Got the big boys.
You can take a video if you want.
Oh, appreciate it, bro. Shout out to Onyx Tires. Y'all need some tires, come to Onyx Tires. Good business.
Perfect.
Alright, so I'm finna pull the car up and get these wheels put on. It's exciting as fuck. They got spacers on them. Should I take those off?
Hoy está yo dónde. No, pero lo volví a regenerar. No, ahí lo tengo. It's a water tire. Sí, porque necesito.
So you, I mean,
para que me pongas la extra.
what would you suggest if it was you? If it was your car?
I'm gonna keep them on.
Keep them on? Alright, that's
Unless you
cool.
want to try it without the spacer first.
Let's try it with it first and see what it look like, see how it's moving.
Saying that he suggested that take them off.
Take them off?
Yeah.
Alright, that's cool. I had 2-inch spacers on them and they suggest taking them off, which I think I have to, so yeah, finna take those off. I didn't think I was gonna need to take the spacers off, but these tires are so fat, I really think I have to take the spacers off, so I guess you have to. That's crazy.
The
Nah, that's only, damn, they're not fitting? I was worried about that, not gonna lie. But I think he's trying something else, so let's see how this goes. So that worked?
Yeah, it worked.
I appreciate it, bro, honestly, because I thought I was gonna be stuck. I feel like any other tire shop, if you ain't have the lug nuts, you'd be stuck, but he made it work with the, I guess the lugs from the spacers, so very grateful for that, bro. It's gonna rub?
Yeah. From the plastic.
Which part?
Right here.
Oh, shit.
When you hear it.
Damn. Yeah. Well, it's rubbing back here, as y'all can see. And that's, oh shit, yeah, it's touching right there. I just watched a video of a Corvette that was doing burnouts and shit, and his plastic was touching, and he burnt out, blew the whole backside off. Whole backside came off for the Corvette. I'll put the video in. But yeah, definitely probably gonna have to run in spacers, and hopefully this is safe. Eventually, I'm gonna just get some smaller spacers. Probably order, yeah, cause those are like two. Yeah. I don't know, y'all. I don't know what it's looking like. We might not be able to put them on today. Man, I really might need to get some smaller spacers. Those are 2-inch spacers. They were necessary for the tires that I had, but with these tires, I feel like 1 inch is probably too much, to be honest. Damn, so bro is about to go get a spacer for me real quick. And I guess we're gonna be able to put them on. That's crazy. That's good business, bro. He's going to get a spacer just so I can get these hoes on today. I'm very grateful for that.
Yeah, it's around the corner this way.
No, I got you. Yeah. Already back with it. That's crazy. Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate you, bro. You're official now. Oh shit, that's crazy. Shout out to Onyx, bro, for getting me right. You look nice, bro. I appreciate y'all. Oh shit.
Now, looks like demo.
You did a great job, bro. Alright, y'all, that was Onyx. Now we finna dip. First drive, let's see. Damn, I don't feel no rubbing or nothing. Oh shit. It's crazy because I don't know if I can say I feel a difference in a ride, just because I'm trying so hard to feel something. And I got these big ass tires in the back, so shit, of course everything feels different right now. Really just hoping that nothing is rubbing too bad and it really doesn't fuck up my wide body kit, bro. That's what I'm hoping, for real, that it doesn't fuck up my wide body kit. But now we wide body boys. Man, that's crazy. Yeah, right now I feel like everything riding real smooth, so hopefully everything good. Man, it's hot as hell out here. Oh shit, that feels so smooth. Oh my god. And my tire pressure sensors just went off, so gotta figure out how to fix that. But ooh, damn, that feel nice. Wide body boys. Alright gang, so I really just wanted to show y'all the final product. I know I darted off earlier when I got it done because I had to go somewhere, but now I have the car cleaned up, the tires are on, and I just want to show y'all the final product. So here it goes.